Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to resource for navigating intricate world of business process outsourcing and contact centers. Today's discussion is particularly vital for anyone looking to establish or enhance their contact center, essential software solutions for launching and managing a contact center and BPO. The first point is understanding your contact center. The first step in selecting software solutions is understanding your contact center's unique needs. What are your primary functions? Is it inbound customer support, outbound sales, or combination of both? Knowing your requirements is a key to finding right software tools. Second point is choosing a robust customer relationship management software, that is CRM. One of the fundamental pillars of contact center management is a robust customer relationship management software. This software enables you to organize customer data, track interactions, and streamline communication. A good CRM system is the backbone of effective customer support. If you're getting some value from this video, consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up to this video. Your support means a lot and it helps our channel to grow. Now, third point is implementing an efficient call routing system. Efficient call routing is paramount for customer satisfaction. Implementing a reliable call routing system ensures that incoming calls are directed to most appropriate agent, reducing wait times and enhancing the overall customer experience. Fourth point is incorporating interactive voice response or IVR systems. Interactive voice response or IVR systems streamline call interactions by allowing customers to navigate through menus using voice or keypad inputs. This not only improves efficiency but also provides a personalized experience for callers. For those eager to dive deeper into the intricacies of launching and managing contact center, consider joining my online executive program at my website www.offshoringconsultant.com. Details are in the description. Fifth point is about utilizing predictive dialer software. Predictive dialer software is a game changer for outbound contact center solutions. It automates the dialing process, optimizing agent productivity by minimizing idle time. The technology ensures that agents spend more time engaging with customers and less time manually dialing numbers. Sixth point is introducing quality management tools. Quality management tools are essential for monitoring and enhancing the performance of your contact center agents. These tools enable you to assess call quality, provide valuable feedback, and identify areas of improvement contributing to overall operational excellence. By the way, in case if you have any questions related to BPO or contact center industry, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. My number is +91 9511 841 495. Now, seventh point is about implementing workforce management software. Workforce management software optimizes staffing levels, schedules, and performance tracking. It ensures that your contact center operates efficiently by aligning agent availability with call volumes, ultimately enhancing productivity. Now, eighth point is about securing data with robust security software. The importance of data security cannot be overstated. Robust security software protects sensitive customer information and ensures compliance with data protection regulations. Prioritize solutions that provide encryption, access controls, and regular security updates. If you're seeking personalized guidance, you can now book a time slot for Zoom meeting directly on my website. My website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. Link is in the description. So in this video, we explored the essential softwares and solutions crucial for launching and managing successful contact center. If you're a part of the outsourcing industry and found value in this discussion, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and empower your call center with the right software tools.